he started saying that wherever we go, we also make our business. And what is that? Earning Krishna Bhakti. At the end, Maharaj mentioned that what to speak of going anywhere and discussing with them about Krishna Bhakti. Even if we meet with a prostitute, we also earn Hari Bhakti from them. Means making them also a devotee, speaking with them about Harikatha, like Srila Haridas Thakur. So in this way, the business of devotees is also to earn Bhakti wherever they may go. Srila Maharaj used to mention one verse from Bhagavad Gita sometime, Vyavsayatmika buddhi ekaha kuru nandana. Means what one has to do, one has to become real Vyavsai, means real businessman. Wherever one goes, he will make business of Krishna Bhakti, that how I can earn more and more wealth of Krishna Bhakti. Is there any question? Simple question.
Jajavar Maharaj. Yup. Kirtan karo.
Once there was Srila Jajavar Goswami Maharaj was speaking Harikatha somewhere, and then there was a problem with electricity. And so many people, they got like bothered. They were wandering here and there, making big noise. And then he chastised them very heavily. That sit down. Everybody should keep quiet. Just do kirtan. What's the problem if electricity is not there? Why waste time?
Then asked one brahmachari, play mridam. And Jajavar Maharaj kissed me. Bhajude mano, srinandanandana, ahoy charana ravindari. Kirtan is end and light is gone.
Once we were there in Jaipur with our Gurudev. He was doing Bhagavad Saptah in Jaipur. Govinda Mandir. In Radha Govinda Dev temple he used to speak in the morning, and in the evening he used to go to Radha Gopinath temple and speak Harikatha. In Radha Govinda Dev temple there was a problem with the mic, sound system. And at that time brahmacharis were like, what to do, going here and there, and those who were arranging everything, they were also disturbed. And then Gurudev immediately got up from the asana and asked Krishna Das, let's start kirtan. Let them do whatever they do. We will be doing kirtan. Why waste time in front of Govinda Dev? And then kirtan started in such a way that 2 hours there was kirtan, no Harikatha on that day. And without mic it was such a wonderful kirtan that everybody remembers up to now. Everybody got up one after another dancing.
Pramod Puri Maharaj.
Srila Gurudev. When I say Srila Gurudev, I mean Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj. When I say Guru Maharaj, then my Guru Maharaj.
Maharaj, we have the Govardhan Puja here.
For sure. Why not? Everywhere. Wherever devotees stay, they observe all the festivals. वो पूछते हैं कि यहाँ पर हम लोग गोवर्धन पूजा करेंगे अन्नकूट वाले दिन, तो मैंने कहा कि अवश्य ही करेंगे. जहाँ पर भक्त लोग होते हैं वो करते ही.
Srila Maharaj is saying,
हमारा गुरु जी गोवर्धन पूजा किया था हॉल में. उस वक्त हॉल से बैल्कोनी ढलाई हुआ था, ऊपर वाला हुआ नहीं, उसमें किया. और काफी अन्नों का कूट बनाया, सब कुछ आदमी को खिलाया. 5 वही लगा दिया सामियाना, वही खिलाया.
At the time of his Guru Maharaj, even though the construction were not completed, but still he made Annakut Mahotsav in this hall where we sit nowadays and perform kirtan. And it was a big festival, like we know Annakut, Kut means Parvat, mountain. And then he made mountains of rice and so many other preparations. And
10 quintal of rice.
10 quintal of rice were cooked.
Oh,
10 quintal.
is like
1 quintal means 100 kg. And then 10 quintal means 1000 kg. So this this much rice was been cooked, and the kut means mountain were been made out of this rice. And then because everything was not constructed, so the prasadam was being served to everybody in the park nearby. They had over there, they had tent, and then over there everybody was fed with prasadam. So wherever they stay, they always perform these festivals in whatever way it is possible. And the main speciality of Srila Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj is that wherever these festivals used to come, he used to arrange festivals in such a way that all other things used to become secondary and the seva of Vaishnavas used to become the primary. Maharaj explains in Vrindavan Math, when it was being constructed, at that time when the deities were installed, then Srila Madhava Goswami Maharaj asked that we will perform festival. And then the festival were being arranged for 3 days. One day for the Vaishnavas, another day for the Brajvasis, and another day for the ordinary public people. And at that time he spent 30,000 rupees, not 3,000 rupees.
इसे
जो वृंदावन वाला उत्सव आप कहते हैं
हाँ
कि उसमें कितने सारे कमरे बन जाते, रसोई बन जाती,
हाँ,
किंतु
ना,
उन्होंने
तो
कहा वो बाद में बनेगा।
2,000 में बन जाएगा तो 30 कमरा बनेगा
हाँ, किंतु उन्होंने कितना खर्च किया था टोटल 3 दिन में
60
60,000. ठीक है. So he, even though at that time temple was being constructed, but not the kitchen, not other rooms also.
non-residential room.
No residential rooms, no kitchen. But he wanted to arrange festivals. So he arranged festival for 3 days and he spent 60,000 rupees for that. And at that time 60,000 rupees means he can make 30 rooms out of it. But he said that I am not worried about the rooms at all. We want to make festival just now. Why? Because so many disciples of Srila Prabhupada, they are disappearing one after another. And whoever is there, I want that everybody should come here and I should greet them and serve them. The chance for service will not come afterward. Rooms can be constructed afterward. What's the problem? So the same thing had happened also. Maharaj mentions that after that festival, after some time, maybe after 1 year, Srila Vaikhanas Goswami Maharaj disappeared. And then Srila Madhava Goswami...
1 year, 5 years.
5 years. आप किसी एक नाम लेते हैं कोई कि 1 साल के अंदर उन्होंने भी शरीर छोड़ा, फिर आपके गुरु
ना
महाराज
ना
ने
वो
कहा
नहीं, एक साथ में शरीर छोड़ा, 1 साल बाद मैंने वो छोड़ा गोस्वामी महाराज.
So
Bhaktisaranga Goswami
Bhakti
Maharaj
Saranga
left
Goswami
after
Maharaj left after 1 year, and then after 4-5 years, Srila Vaikhanas Goswami Maharaj also left. So he used to say, see, if we had not arranged festival at that time, then we would have not got chance to serve them. So he used to say that we are having our 2 worshipable deities, Vishnu and Vaishnava, and they are our worshipable deities. So along with Vishnu, because they installed the deities of Mahaprabhu, Radha Krishna, along with them we want to worship Vaishnavas. Then and only then our worship will be complete, otherwise not. There are so many other things which Maharaj mentions again and again about him, but I think they want us to go out for parikrama. So we should move now.